I realized one thing, I don't know what I don't know. And when I actually admitted that, I just saw truly who I am into this cosmic world or this universe. So I would highly recommend, if you want growth and breakthrough, come with an open heart. It was very spontaneous to come and experience plant medicine. I've always been about growth and helping people. I came with a very open heart to grow and expand and learn. The family at Arkana has been so loving and supportive. I don't know if I can describe it, but it's a world that I probably would not be able to see had I not experienced this wonderful medicine that has helped me to see who I am truly. It has helped me unclog things that I didn't even know that was there. And it has opened pathways for me. And that I'm so grateful for. Just within a few days, this clarity is born. In the real world, we need that clarity constantly. I can't thank Arkana enough. Trust and open your heart to this medicine that goes through every cell of your body, takes you into this beautiful state and really truly make you recognize who you are.